This video will demonstrate how to use semantic search queries in WebHelp Responsive output. This functionality was introduced in Oxygen Feedback 4.0. A semantic search is an advanced search technique that improves the accuracy and relevance of search results by analyzing the context of the search query rather than just relying solely on the keyword matching. In a semantic search, the search engine uses natural language processing and machine learning techniques to analyze the intent and context of the search query. Now, the default search engine that comes embedded in WebHelp Responsive output doesn't support semantic search functionality. So to enable this functionality, you must first embed Oxygen feedback in your published WebHelp Responsive output, and you must configure the default search engine to use Oxygen Feedback's engine. Details for how to embed feedback can be found in our video, How to Install Oxygen Feedback in WebHelp Output, and the link to that video can be found in the description. To configure Oxygen Feedback as the search engine for WebHelp, you need to enable the content indexing functionality in the Content Feedback admin interface. To do so, go to the settings page for the particular version that you want the default engine replaced. Scroll down to the Content Indexing and Search section and click the Edit button to expand it. The content indexing plays a critical role in the search process by serving as a map for Oxygen Feedback to help quickly and efficiently locate relevant content based on user queries. When it crawls the output, it indexes the content of each page, creating a searchable record of the HTML content, and the index stores information about the content of each page, such as the text and title, as well as metadata, such as keywords and index terms. You need to select the checkbox to enable the content indexing functionality. The semantic search functionality requires that you configure Oxygen Feedback to connect to OpenAI on your behalf. First, you can click the OpenAI API key link to go to the OpenAI site where you can generate a new secret key. Back in the version settings page in the feedback interface, you can click the organization page link to navigate to the organization profile page. You need to click the configure button in the OpenAI connection section and enter the key you just generated. Back in the version settings page, we can then enable the semantic search and click Save to complete the configuration. Now we'll go to the corresponding WebHelp output to show some examples. In a semantic search context, you can use search expressions that focus on the key concepts and context of the content you are looking for. In this first example, we'll use maintaining plant health as a search phrase to find content related to pruning, and you can see that the first result is a topic named pruning. The next example uses a search expression in a different language, and you can see that it found relevant results in the current language. That concludes this tutorial about using semantic search queries in WebHelp Responsive output after configuring it to use Oxygen Feedback search engine. Thank you for watching, and don't miss the related videos listed in the description. As always, we also welcome your feedback and suggestions.